No one can dispute my reality. When a minister takes to social media platforms and basically says, I have security.
Die pad is lank. I am 24/7 with security. Outside my house now, there's security.
Tells the entire world that he has security, exposing me.
Jy sal vir jou 'n sambreel moet kry want die poesklappe gaan reën boetie. Ons sal dit kyk. Ja.
Deputy President as well as him being at the homes of drug cartels, people murderers. I am meant to
I'm going to make you a gang member today because that's the only way I can protect you. So I didn't make Kenny a gang member.
that. The other thing is, I'm not sure if people think because I'm a colored and I is colored, we're not meant to hold each other to account.
Dit gaan naai op jou dak. Okay. Die dak gaan probeer. Nie naai probeer.
Whenever there's smoke and red flags, ek gaan nie vra. So no one's going to try and intimidate me by doing lives. I've had enough.
Moet nooit jou poep inhou nie. Dit kruip op teen jou ruggraat tot binne in jou brein en dis waar jy kakgedagtes kry.